Morning, all of you. This is Dr. Sudarshan Sambhajirav Pedge, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Kalasasya Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devani, your zoology companion, and welcome to my lecture. In the last lecture, we also completed the introductory part of the protozoans. Now, today we will start our next topic, that is the general characteristics of protozoa. Okay, so let's get started today's lecture. What is meant by the general characters? We know very well various types of morphological as well as anatomical as well as the some morphometric characters is also called the general characters. Okay, so see one by one. You have seen here the protozoans are microscopic and simplest. It means we cannot see with the eyes. It means the protozoans are the microscopic. Okay, it means we have seen with the help of, or we have seen any type of protozoans, that is the paramecium as well as euglena as well as the amoeba. These protozoans we have seen only with the help of microscope. Okay, and these protozoans are the simplest. It means the all protozoans body organization is the simplest. Okay, so this is the one particular first general characteristics of the protozoans, that is the protozoans are the microscopic and the simplest. Okay, as well as in the next general characteristics of the protozoa is the unicellular. Question may arise, what is the unicellular? Protozoans are one cell. Uni means one cell. Okay, so that is the unicellular, means the one cell. We know very well multicellular. Multicellular means many kinds of cells. Okay, but in the protozoans are the unicellular. Okay, unicellular body organization. Okay, it means the only one celled animals. Okay, so this is the one particular general characters of the protozoans. Another next is the solitary. Question may arise in your mind, what is mean by the solitary? Solitary, it means these animals living in a colonial form. It means they have live anywhere of the water as well as the soil, as well as as well as any kind of habitat. They have solitary organization. It means they have one particular colony. Okay, so that is the solitary organization. Okay, next characteristics is the body symmetry. What is mean by the symmetry? Body symmetry means the symmetrization means the two halls means दोन भाग होणे बॉडीचे. ओके, that is the one particular body symmetrical animal, that is the symmetrical animal. Okay, another body is naked. Some protozoans we have seen with the help of some eyes. Okay, with the help of eyes, it means the naked body. The body parts we have seen, but we can't identify which organism is there. Okay, so body is the naked, as well as body form is a constant. If you seen in the all types of protozoans, that protozoans are the constant body form. It means it not change any time or any conditions. Okay, that is the body form is the constant. Okay, another next general characters of the protozoans, that is the locomotory organs. Okay, in the you have seen in the various types of uh, s- first of all, you have seen here the photographs of these protozoans. All these are the all are the protozoans. If you have seen here the in the first line, the third picture, that is the uh, euglena. Okay, euglena is the one particular whip-like structure is there, that is the locomotory organ. Okay, that whip-like structure is called as flagella. You have seen in the paramecium. In the paramecium, that paramecium contain locomotory organ is the cilia. Okay, as well as you have seen in the fifth or center picture of the photographs, that is the amoeba. In that amoeba contain locomotory organ is the pseudopodia. Okay, these are the locomotory organ, and that locomotory organ which helps to any kind of animals from going to one place to another place, that helping with us. So that is the locomotory organs, that is the finger like projections, pseudopodia, whip like flagella. These are the uh, various kinds or various types of locomotory organs generally found in the protozoans. Okay, so next is the nutrition. Okay, if you seen in the protozoans, there are the various types of protozoan we have seen in the protozoan family, and that some protozoans are holozoic, holophytic, and saprozoic. Question may arise in your mind: what is meant by the holozoic? Holozoic means those protozoans is totally depend on the another animals or microscopic animal, that is the holozoic nutrition. Okay, as well as some protozoans are depends on the phyton, means the phytic means the plant, holophytic. Okay, so that is the one particular nutrition is the holophytic, as well as the saprozoic. Okay, some are the saprozoic, it means the dead protozoans. It means the nutrition is the dead protozoans. Okay, so these are the nutritive or nutrition of the protozoans. Now next is the respiration and excretion. In the respiration and excretion through general surface or through contractile vacuoles, okay, which serve mainly as osmoregulation. Okay, it means the various kinds of respiration we have seen in the various animals, but in the protozoans, these are the respiration with the help of contractile vacuoles. Okay, and that contractile vacuoles, it will be helpful for the excretion also. Okay, it means the respiration and excretion through general surface or through contractile vacuoles. Okay, as well as another next is the reproduction, life history, as well as habitat. So you have seen here the reproduction is the generally we have seen in the protozoan animal, that protozoan animals are asexual reproduction. Okay, by binary or multiple fission. Okay, and budding, and sexual by conjugation of adults. Okay, it means the asexual and sexual reproduction found in the uh, protozoan animals. In that sexual reproduction, that is the binary as well as multiple fission. Okay, that is called as the asexual reproduction found in the protozoan, as well as sexual reproduction, and that the conjugation of adults, that is the hologamy, or by fusion of gametes, that is the syngamy. Okay, so that is the reproduction of the protozoans. Another, life history is a complete complicated with alternation of sexual and asexual phases. Okay, if you seen in the all protozoans, the life history is the complicated. Okay, why? Because with the alteration of asexual and sexual phases, okay, it means there are some changes we have seen in the protozoans life history. Okay, another next is the habitat. Okay, question may arise in your mind, where is uh, the place, or which place it will be found in the protozoans. Okay, so these are the free living protozoa, are mostly aquatic, as well as the inhabiting fresh and sea waters and damp places also. Parasitic and commensal protozoa live over or inside the body of animals and plants. Okay, so that is the one particular. It will be the for protozoans generally live in the environment with the sufficient moisture is essential in their environment. Okay, it means the one particular sufficient moisture is important. Okay, without a sufficient moisture, and they can't live. Okay, so these are the some general characters of the protozoans. Okay, and this is the photographs of various types of protozoans. Okay, so this is the protozoans. That is the general characteristics of protozoans. First is the microscopic simplest. Okay, these are the uh, protozoans are the microscopic as well as the simplest unicellular solitary. Okay, as well as body symmetry. The body symmetry is the bilateral, radial or spherical. Okay, one particular symmetrical nature of the body, as well as the body naked or bound. Some are the bounded or pellicle, often provided with the simple or elaborate shells or exoskeleton. We have seen the body naked. Okay, so these are the some locomotory organs we have seen today in the general characters. As well as the nutrition is the holozoic. Holozoic means animal like, as is holophytic, that is a plant like, as well as the saprozoic or parasitic. It means the all the digestion as well as the nutrition as well as the respiration and excretion generally with the help of contractile vacuoles. Okay, and reproduction is the asexual life history is complicated, as well as the habitat we have generally these protozoans we have seen in the water as well as inside the body. Okay, so various kinds of gender characteristics we have seen. Okay, next is the photographs of the various types of protozoans. Another, that is the classification of a protozoa. Okay, and just we have tree diagram we have discussed here today. So and that is the classification of a protozoa. Protozoa, it will be classifying into the four subphylum. That is the Sarcomastigophora, Sporozoa, Nidospora, and Celiophora. Okay, so in that Sarcomastigophora, they have three superclass. Okay, that is the Mastigophora, Opalinata, and Sarcodina. In the Mastigophora, uh, contain two classes, that is the Phytomastigophora and Zoomastigophora. Okay, and Opalenta it not divide in any kind of class. Okay, but in the Sarcodina is also divided into the three class. Okay, so Rhizopoda, Pyroplasma, and Actinopodia, these are the various types of classes. Okay, in the subphylum Sarcomastigophora. Okay, another is the Sporozoa. You have seen here Sporozoa is divided into three class, that is the Telospora, Toxoplasmia, as well as Haplosporia. Okay, these three classes included in the Sporozoa subphylum Sporozoa. Another next is the Nidospora. In the Nidospora, there are two types of class, that is the Mixosporidia as well as Microsporidia. Okay, and last is the Coelophora. In that the ciliata is there. Okay, only one class is there. Okay, These are the some tree diagram of the classification of protozoan animals. Okay, so this is it for today. Now, thank you very much.